Lately, there is hot news about Indonesia versus Bahrain on 10. Hi, good evening. I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rafi Ibnu Hakim. Yeah, recently there was a hot story. What do you think the news is? Lately there is hot news about Indonesia versus Bahrain on 10 October 2024. I'm here to express my opinion about FIFA ASEAN Federal Cup, namely Indonesia Bahrain yesterday. From yesterday's match, I was very surprised. Why the match continue even though the extra time had run out, which was originally 90 minutes with 6 minutes of extra time became 99 minutes, and there seemed to be cheating. After Bahrain scored a goal, then the referee blew the whistle signaling the ball game was over. In my opinion, it's very unsportsmanlike in the world of soccer. Okay, thank you.
Hello. In part 1, I have given my opinion about the soccer match. And now I will explain the material, which is simple present tense. Okay, let's talk about simple present tense. The good thing is the verb in this tense are the basic form, meaning they have not undergone any change. So if you make a sentence with a third person subject, he, she, it, and singular subject, there are some verbs that must be added with s or s at the end. What is simple present tense? What is present tense? Simple present tense is a form of tense that I use to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are usually carried out in the present. What does present mean? Present in simple present tense mean now, then simple mean simple. And tense is the form of the verb according to time period used. When is present tense used? In terms of name, the formula for this tense is not complicated. The reason is we often use this tense in everyday life. Before diving deeper, it is better if we recall the structure of a sentence. So, we can say a sentence if it consists of the following three things. The first, subject, predicate, and complement. Simple present tense formula. Have you read the article about type of sentence? If so, of course, you understand that a sentence can be verbal or nominal. So, the name predicate is not always a verb. In verbal sentence, after the subject will be followed by a verb or V. Meanwhile, in nominal sentence, after the subject will be accompanied by a non-verb that we usually know as an auxiliary verb to or to be. What is the simple present tense formula? In general, the simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 s or s plus complement for positive sentence with a verbal pattern. If the pattern is nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb or to be plus complement. Nominal simple present tense. How to make a simple present tense sentence? Here is the simple present tense formula that you can ask. Positive subject plus to be plus complement. Negative, subject plus to be plus not plus complement. Interrogative, to be plus subject plus complement. Example of simple present tense with nominal sentence pattern. Positive, I am an international school student, or I am a student. Negative, she is not international school student, or she is not a student. Interrogative, is she an international school student, or is she a student? Verbal simple present tense. The formula positive, negative, interrogative of the simple present tense for the verbal pattern is positive subject plus verb 1 plus s or s plus complement. Negative subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. Interrogative, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. In accordance with the previous discussion, in verbal sentence, you do not need to add to be after the subject, because the verb is the one that is in charge of being the predicate. Positive or affirmative simple present tense. Positive or affirmative simple present tense, just like nominal verbal sentence, also have a positive form as we have discussed at the beginning. Example of simple present tense sentence: I live in Jakarta. I live in Jakarta. He lives in Jakarta. He lives in Jakarta. Simple present question or interrogative. Is the question sentence pattern? It is divided into two parts, namely yes or no question. Do I work or do I work? Does he work or does he work? As the name of the type suggests, namely yes or no question, so you only need to answer the question above with yes, I do. Yes, I work. Yes, he does. Yes, he works. What are some examples of simple present tense? Positive sentence: she wants to be doctor. Go eat grass. They speak English at the office. He likes banana. They play basketball every morning. Negative sentence: they don't have any money. Arin doesn't see Peter in the class. My best friend doesn't love you. You don't listen to me. California is not in the United Kingdom. Interrogative sentence or question sentence: do they talk a lot? Does he play tennis? Does your father drink coffee? Where does he have lunch? Does he ride the motorbike? Time words or adverbs of time in simple present tense. Time adverb that we'll discuss has another term, namely adverb of frequency. Actually, time words are not always present in every simple present tense sentence. However, sentences that use time words below are definitely simple present tense. Here is the list that you should note. What are characteristics of simple present tense sentence? 1. Using verbs in the basic form or infinitive or familiar irregular verbs. Example: I play soccer every weekend. Play is a verb in the basic form. 2. Using auxiliary verbs, namely do or does, for verbal sentence in negative and interrogative forms. Example: she doesn't eat meat. Doesn't, it's like doesn't not. Auxiliary word in negative form, the subject she. Do you like chocolate? Do. It's like auxiliary verb from question with the subject you. 3. In the present tense, there are usually adverb of time such as always, usually, often, rarely, never, every, day, week, month, or year. Example: I always drink coffee in the morning. function, and use of simple present tense. Aside from expressing fact, when can we use the simple present tense in sentence? The answer is the image below. 1. General truth or generalization or fact. Explaining certain facts. In the world, we cannot escape from absolute truth or general truth. Well, generalization means truth that cannot be challenged. So, simple present tense is sentence form to state something concrete. An example of a sentence is habitual or daily activities, aka repeat action. Expressing something that always happen repeatedly. If you hear the word habit, you can definitely just it meaning easily. Example: we go to school by bus every morning. We go to school by bus every morning. 3. Express feelings and emotion. Expressing emotion and feelings. Are you sad or maybe you are thinking about something? Example sentence. Feelings: I'm sad too. Hear your bad news. Emotion: I was thankful because have a great best friend. Schedule event in the near future or familiar with future condition. Discussing event in the near future. What is meant by this function is that the simple present tense is also used to discuss activities or event schedule in the near future. 5. Command or interaction. Giving order or interaction. Have you ever watched a cooking tutorial? Look no further. You must have often read instruction or comment on your smartphone, right? For example, in the following sentence, draw pattern or use fingerprint to unlock. Draw pattern or use fingerprint to unlock. Pour the juice into the cup. Thank you very much. Bye.